Welcome to the Common Sense Basics of QuickBooks video tip about writing a check in QuickBooks. First, you'll need to have a business checking account set up, and you'll do that in the chart of accounts. You can choose which account you want this check to be drawn on by clicking on the drop-down arrow and choosing the proper checking account. Once you've done that, you can enter your check number in this number field, and if it is unavailable to you, it's probably because you have the check mark to be printed clicked on right here. So unclick it in order to do historical work or to catch up on your week's accounting work that was from checks being written. That opens up the field that you can either enter a number or a word here describing the way that the transaction happened. So if it was something that you did online, just type in the word online. If you swiped your ATM card, then type in ATM. If it was a debit transaction at a POS station at a store, you'll just type in the word debit. I'm going to use check number 123. Then I'm going to tab, and I can hit my minus or plus keys here to get back and forth to a different date. I'm just going to use my minus key twice to get back to another date, much quicker than going to the calendar. Tab, and now I can either click on my drop-down menu to see all my vendors and choose one, or I can just start typing the vendor's name and it will pop up for me. So this was a check to the co-op. Now I'm going to tab and put in the amount of money that we spent. So I like to call these the when, who, how much, and then down here we're going to choose a tab and tell QuickBooks why the money was spent. When you choose the Item tab, that will be because you are tracking things by items in QuickBooks, either items that you purchase and resell or items that you consume, and you want to be able to analyze them at the end of the year using the Item function. But we'll put this one in as a general business expense today. Again, when you see the little drop-down arrow, you can click on it and browse and scroll up and down, but it's much quicker to just start typing the word for the kind of expense that you just incurred, and it will pop in for you and you can just hit tab. So this tab is for general business expenses. This tab is for things that you are tracking as items. It's very, very simple to enter checks in QuickBooks, and after you click on the Save and Close, Save and New, or just on the Save button up here at the top, we're going to say Save anyway. That was asking a question about classes. And then you'll see that in your register, it will show those transactions that you entered in on the check writing screen. If you have any questions about this topic or something else that you need help with in QuickBooks, please contact me at Vickie, V-I-C-K-I-E, at qbhelp.me.